Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the right prerequisites. Game version matches mods or server, and you backed up your save files so nothing is lost. Once done, close overlays and background tools like Discord, Steam Overlay, and antivirus that can inject conflicts. Launch Terraria from its native launcher or Steam, then select Verify Integrity if available. This replaces missing files. Do not skip backing up. It's quick and prevents data loss, and it explains why we can safely modify files next. Next, focus on the middle, more technical steps. Verify or reinstall files using Steam or your platform to replace corrupted assets, and then address mods. Disable all mods and remove tmod loader temporarily. Make sure tmod loader version equals the game version. Once mods are disabled, start Terraria clean. If it runs, reintroduce mods one at a time to identify the culprit. Also open config files and reset any erroneous settings. This often resolves startup crashes caused by malformed options. Finally, update your GPU drivers and DirectX, since rendering errors can block the game from starting. Make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking Terraria ports if multiplayer fails. Test single player to isolate network issues. If crashes persist, run the game as administrator or use Windows compatibility mode. As a final step, perform a clean reinstall. Remove game files completely, restore saves, and reinstall. If problems remain. One tip: check the game log for specific error text and search that exact phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.